Hi, it's Benjamin here with Safe Drive Solutions to talk about why dash cameras. First, we want to talk about protecting your auto insurance with a dash camera. Have a clear record of other reckless and irresponsible drivers. Recently, one of my clients had me install a dash camera. He was involved in an incident. A lady actually backed into him in a parking lot. So he was actually just sitting there waiting for his wife. His wife went in to do some shopping. He wasn't moving at all. This lady came in, hit him on the backside of the vehicle, went and talked to him, told him, sorry, I hit your vehicle, here's my insurance. And he goes, there's not even any damage done to my truck. There's nothing wrong at all. So I'm not worried about it, obviously go get your car fixed, right? Not worried about it. A few weeks later in the mail, ICBC Insurance sends him a letter basically saying, you hit her vehicle, you caused damage, and you're going to have to prove us otherwise. And the client was blown away. What's going on here? I didn't do anything wrong. I was sitting parked in a parking lot. So ICBC deems he was 100% at fault. Then what ends up happening is he argues back and forth that it was in a parking lot. They then deem it's 50-50. You gotta remember, this guy didn't move at all. Didn't move, nothing. But he had no way of proving it. No witnesses, no nothing. He assumed, hey, there's no damage done to my vehicle, so what's the big deal? I'll just move on. So what ended up happening is the ICBC, the insurance company, finalized that he was 25% at fault, told him it will not hurt his insurance, and the other lady was 75% at fault. Now, what people are not understanding here is all they're using is your no-fault insurance for that 25%. So this guy did nothing, didn't move, nothing, gets hit, and his insurance is now going to be affected, which means if he gets into a major collision next time, he will have to pay a deductible. It will hit he won't have no-fault insurance anymore because he was already deemed somewhat at fault for the last accident, even though he did nothing. Had he had a dash camera that pointed out the rear of his vehicle, he could have proven without a doubt that he did not move and that this lady hit him. Case closed. This is another reason why people need a dash camera, because people are committing insurance fraud. So in order to prevent insurance fraud, I recommend looking and investing in a dash camera.